I believe in this FHM Expo. This is the most advanced device in the whole hall.
Can you briefly introduce yourself and your role, including the brand name?
Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Chef Alex from Botinkit Shenzhen's. I represent the Shenzhen's Botinkit. We is doing is robotics category directors. Okay.
So for the second question, what is the one innovation from the Botinkit that you are most excited to share in the FHM?
I believe in this FHM Expo. This is the most advanced device in the whole hall.
Okay, moving to the next question. Why should visitors to make sure to visit our booth and look at this Botinkit in our F&B booth?
Actually, in this F&B industry, we're facing a lot of troublings regarding stuffings and labels. I believe this machine can help improve the whole experience inside the kitchens and customer experience.
Okay, moving to the next question. What is your message to all F&B business owners who are attending to FHM?
I believe this is the solutions everybody in the restaurant should have in the kitchens, because this device, it helps you to improve your consistency, the speed, your turnovers, and your labor costs will be improved.
How does Botinkit help F&B business to save costs and help to expand quickly?
Actually, the whole method is very simple. You do one time of R&D, you're very easy to duplicate to other outlets, and you're able to control how you want to expose your menu recipe in all over the world.
Okay, so moving to the next question. How does Botinkit help brand to scale without sacrificing the taste? I mean, like how to make sure the taste is like fully accurate.
You can visit our booth and check our machine. I teach you how details we have to make sure that all the tiny grams and accurations preset in the recipe. That's why the whole thing will be more smoother.
Okay, then another question. If you could sum up the Botinkit in 3 words, what would they be? 3 words to sum up the Botinkit.
Speed, consistent, and okay.
All right, thank you, Chef Alex, for the interview today. Thank you.
Thank you.